That's popcorn. We need corn.
Don't worry, I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry. If it's not the right delivery, just say Dizzy, Dazzy, Day. Now the fish will come. Oh!
Fish.
Fish! Oh, I love catching fish.
Let's love sign. Fish. Fish. You sign. Fish. Good. Fish.
Right, let's go fishing, friends.
No,
Why?
our boat is broken.
Boat? My second delivery. Wait here. Oh, it's too small. Oh. I'm sorry. Ah, I could use magic.